I am Bhumika Nanda and I work in a company called Oriano Clean Energy Private Limited. In my previous organization, so I had seen Evanta as a co-working space there. So when I came to Gurgaon, so we came to know about that Evanta also has a co-working space in Gurgaon. So that is why we preferred Evanta, because the overall services and everything is quite good. So we wanted to just and then I saw this place, and then I found the place to be a good working atmosphere, and a specific space was given to us, unlike other co-working spaces. Here in Evanta, what I felt is that we were allotted a specific place, like which we can tell that this is for our organization. There are separate rooms for different organizations. It's not just like workstations are being allotted or something like that. So that's the best part about Evanta. The atmosphere is quite vibrant. The people here are very supportive, and obviously, when you are in a co-working space, you get to interact with people of different professions and of different stratas and all. So probably you get to know a lot of people and discuss with them. So the ideas also keep growing, and the overall atmosphere is quite positive, and everybody, like when moving around, and everybody greets everybody. So it creates a quite a good atmosphere, and also helps in creating a good environment to work in. The Evanta team is quite helpful and supportive. All the time they are ready on the desk. They are always ready with a smile and saying good morning. So that's the best part over here. And the staff is quite supportive. Whenever there is an issue, I call out to them, they are immediately available, and whatever the issue is, they try to resolve it in a very less time. So that's the best part about the Evanta staff. There is a separate space for our organization. The people are quite helpful and supportive, and they're always available to help. And then we have a proper reception area. We have a proper sitting space even outside if you don't want to sit in your office. So you have a separate place to sit outside also. So I think that's the best part, which I feel that you have quite a lot of space, and the meeting rooms are always available whenever required, and even in a short span of time, even if I say them like 5 minutes before only that I need a meeting room, so that's they somehow make arrangement to get things work out for me. And the staff, obviously, they are always around and always asking if I need something, and they keep on checking whether everything is fine or not. And the cleanliness is also really good, and the internet and everything. So I think that's the best part about Evanta. Yeah, obviously, I keep on recommending that whenever there is a space available, I keep telling that in case anybody is wanting to have like a co-working space, so Evanta would be a good option.